Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send money from Exodus to Cash App. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Exodus wallet, which of course I have done right here. I'd like you to know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supports over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus is about, let's quickly hop into today's section, how to send money from Exodus to Cash App. Now I'd like to let you know that you can send money, like fiat currency kind of money from Exodus, but you can actually send crypto. Now because Cash App supports Bitcoin, let's see how we can send some amount of Bitcoins from Exodus to Cash App. So from this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find this wallet icon, which is the second icon from your homepage. Click on that and it's going to take you to this window where you have a list of your assets, which is known as your portfolio. So go ahead and select Bitcoin from this window. Bitcoin is more, it's always on default. So you have no problem searching for Bitcoin. So in here, you're going to have to click on this first icon here, which is the send icon. So click on that first icon and it's going to take you over here to this window. Now head over to your Cash App and locate your BTC wallet address. Once you search for your BTC wallet address, copy it from Cash App. Once you copy it, you're going to head over to Exodus and paste your BTC address in this communications bar. Once you do that, go ahead and select the amount of money that you want to transfer. That's the amount of BTC that you want to transfer. And after doing that, click on this continue button. Once you click on this continue button, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your transaction. Once your transaction has been successful and completed, now head over to Cash App to see and confirm that your BTC wallet has been padded up successfully. So this is pretty much how you can send money from Exodus to Cash App. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.